Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we make delicious meals that will break the bank. Today we're going to make cornbread cowboy casserole. We're going to start with dicing up one green bell pepper, and we're going to dice up one medium onion. In a large skillet over medium heat, we're going to add our ground beef, our onion, our bell pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes or until the beef is done. Now that the meat is cooked through, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to drain. Now that we drained, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of brown sugar, one 28-ounce can of baked beans, eight slices of pre-cooked bacon that's been crumbled, half a cup of barbecue sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. And we're going to stir and mix and combine them. If you use a 12-inch cast iron skillet, you can skip this step and leave the beef mixture in the pan. But I didn't, so I'm going to add the beef mixture to a 9x13 pan. Spread it out a little bit. To a bowl, we're going to add in 2 eggs, 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk. We're going to mix that together. We're going to add in 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal. Now we're going to mix that all up. And now we're going to mix in 1 cup of shredded cheese. And now we're going to spread the cornbread mixture onto the beef mixture. Spread the cornmeal all over the beef. And now we're going to cook in a preheated oven, 450 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That is really good. It cost us around $20, $23 to make. Feeds 8 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.